whether romantically, making new friends, or just people in general. In this video, I will talk about 5 more ways to make someone like you fast. Part 2. It's your unlocked potential, and since we only have 3 minutes, let's start the countdown. Number 1. Ask them to do you favors. If you do a favor for someone, you might assume that they will like you more, but research has shown that it's actually the opposite. If you do a favor for someone, you're more inclined to like them. The reason is, as humans, we justify and find reasons we do the things we do. Instinctively, we assume that we are doing a favor because we like them. So, if you want someone to like you, start with small favors and slowly build them up to bigger ones. Eventually, they will like you more. But don't overdo it. Remember, balance is key. Number 2. Tell them a secret. There is something special about telling secrets to others. It's an act of trust. When there is trust between 2 people, the relationship will be better because the bond between them deepens. Of course, don't start off your first meeting by sharing your childhood trauma, but as the relationship builds, it's good to share some light secrets or personal stories. It's also a pleasant way to make them find you more friendly or approachable. Number 3. Be a little mysterious. When you're just getting to know someone, it's great to share things about yourself. After all, you've only met this person a couple of times. But you don't want to tell them everything about you. 1. You can easily overwhelm them with information about yourself. 2. If you only talk about yourself, you will seem very self-centered. 3. If you talk about you only, you won't have any more things to talk about later down the road. 4. Remember the last video? Spend the time talking about them. People love a little mystery. Sometimes curiosity draws people in and make them want to approach you more. Number 4. Be positive. No one likes an overly negative person. Overly negative statements will invoke negative emotions in others, and you do not want to be associated with those emotions. You're here to make them like you, not for them to pity you or give you advice. Now, I'm not saying to be super happy and positive. Just relax, be yourself, and give them the feeling of warmth and positivity. They will naturally be drawn towards you. Number 5. Find similarities. People always want to find something to connect with you. As humans, we are social creatures. Doesn't matter if it's music, art, movies, sports, musical instruments, fishing, jobs, current events, likes, dislikes, other hobbies, whatever. You want to find out what both you and the other person like and form a connection as fast as you can. This way, you can build upon those topics and keep the conversation going. Naturally, they like those topics, so talking about those topics will make them like you too. And that's 180 seconds. Well, technically less than 180 seconds. Did you like this video? Which ways are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section down below and help me by smashing that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and be sure to check out the videos on the screen for more improvement videos. Keep on improving and keep learning. I will see you all this Sunday. Cheers!